Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your computer teacher of class 3rd. This is your second lecture. Open book, page number 25. Chapter number 3, Computer in the Society. In previous lecture, we learned half of chapter number 1. Now today, we will continue the remaining chapter and their related work. In hospitals, the sensitive equipments used in hospitals are computerized. The machines used for checking eyesight are also computerized. Besides, hospitals keep case histories of the patients in computers for future reference. For entertainment, computers play an important role in entertainment. There are various computer games that you can play. You can also watch movies on the computer that is recorded on the video CD. An audio CD can also be played on the computer to listen to the music and songs. In libraries, computers are very commonly used in libraries in the following ways. Computers are most commonly used to access a library book database. A library's computerized book database makes it easier to keep records of books issued and returned. Some libraries allow internet access from their computer for online research and other related functions. In research and development, in the fields of research and development, computers are playing very important role. They help in lengthy calculations and analysis. In defense, powerful defense equipments, arms and ammunition are nowadays computerized. During wars, missiles are now controlled and target on enemy by remote with high accuracy and speed. Nuclear weapons are also computer controlled. This makes the defense power stronger. By pressing one button on the computer, target can be destroyed within seconds. In business and industry, a businessman can keep all the records of sales and purchase of various goods in the computer. He can maintain accounts of employees and calculate the salaries of his workers without spending his valuable time. In industries, computers are used to control very critical machines, especially those which are used for microworks. Now I am going to give you homework. See page number 28. Exercise C, match the following. Match the words of column A with related words from column B. Home, match with computer. Games, match with computer. Money, we get money from bank, so match money with bank. Voice, voice match with communication. Ticket, we get ticket from railway, so match ticket with railway. Paper, we print on paper, so match paper with printer. Laboratory, laboratory match with patient. Exercise D, select the correct spelling. Number 1, this is the correct spelling of printing. Number 2, bank, this is the correct spelling of bank. Number 3, this is the correct spelling of industry. Number 4, this is the correct spelling of publishing. Number 5, this is the correct spelling of communication. Students, do this work in your computer book. Now start copy work. Draw a margin line, mention date. Chapter number 3, Computer in the Society. Write question number 1. Make a list of different places where computers are used. Answer: at home, in banks, in industries, in hospitals, in libraries, in business, and for entertainment, etc. Question number 2. Why are computers useful in education? Answer: computers are useful in education as tutorial material on different subjects can be stored in computers for the purpose of teaching students. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your work and submit it on time. Allah Hafiz.